Welcome back to How Car USA, your ultimate destination for classic legends, luxury icons, and next-generation automotive content. If you love vintage cars reimagined with modern technology, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring a true piece of history reborn, the stunning 2026 Cadillac Model 30. Let's begin with the bonnet. The long, upright bonnet of this reimagined Model 30 stays true to its vintage roots but now comes finished in a deep, shiny dark color that gives it a rich and premium presence. The design is simple yet elegant, with smooth metal surfaces and subtle modern refinements. Underneath, this modern version is imagined to feature either a refined electric powertrain or a hybrid system producing around 300 to 400 horsepower. While it maintains its classic look, the performance is upgraded for smooth and silent driving, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 6 to 7 seconds. At the front, the car proudly carries its iconic upright grille, now enhanced with chrome detailing and a modern finish. The classic round headlights remain, but they now feature LED technology for better visibility and efficiency. The front design is elegant and timeless, with small modern indicators integrated seamlessly without disturbing the vintage aesthetic. From the sides, the car looks long, graceful, and truly unique. The large fenders, whitewall-style tires, and exposed wheel arches give it a strong classic identity. A rear-mounted spare wheel adds to its heritage look, while the body lines remain smooth and flowing. The dark exterior color reflects beautifully, enhancing its luxury appeal and making it look like a moving piece of art. At the back, the design continues its vintage charm. The rear section is simple yet elegant, with classic-inspired lighting upgraded with modern LED elements. The taillights glow softly in red, while the indicators are subtle and refined. The overall rear design feels clean, sophisticated, and true to its historical roots. Step inside, and the cabin feels like stepping into a luxury time machine. The interior features premium black leather seats that are soft, comfortable, and handcrafted for a high-end experience. These seats combine vintage styling with modern comfort features like heating and ventilation, making them suitable for today's drivers. The dashboard is finished in a rich wood color, giving it a warm and classic feel. Real wood trim, polished metal accents, and analog-inspired controls blend beautifully with hidden modern technology. A discrete digital display is integrated into the design, providing navigation and infotainment without disturbing the classic look. This balance between old and new is exactly what modern American collectors appreciate. When it comes to speed and performance, this car is designed more for comfort and elegance rather than aggressive driving. With a top speed of around 130 miles per hour, it offers smooth acceleration and a quiet ride. Advanced suspension technology ensures a soft and luxurious driving experience, perfect for long cruises. Now let's talk about the steering features. The steering wheel is designed in a classic style but wrapped in premium leather for a modern touch. It includes hidden controls for media, navigation, and driver assistance systems. Features like adaptive cruise control and lane assist are included but designed to stay discreet, maintaining the vintage feel of the car. Technology in this vehicle is carefully integrated. It includes modern safety features such as a 360-degree camera, parking assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. There's also a premium sound system hidden within the cabin, along with wireless charging and smartphone connectivity, features that American buyers expect in luxury cars today. In terms of pricing in the United States, the 2026 Cadillac Model 30 is expected to be a limited production luxury collector's vehicle, starting around $120,000 and potentially going much higher depending on customization. Its rarity and historical significance make it a true collector's dream. So what do you think? Would you drive this classic legend with modern technology? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching How Car USA, where we bring the past and future of cars together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We'll see you in the next one.